So I'm doing basically a little upgrade to my cabinet. I found this information on YouTube from a guy that does a lot of virtual pinball videos and stuff like that. His name is Frenchy, and he's basically helped me with a couple things now that I didn't basically research on my own. I basically looked at his video and I was able to follow it step by step and do them. The first one was his LED lighting, so a very good tutorial on that. But what I wanted to focus on today was I followed his SSF video, which is surround sound feedback, poor man's DOF. Anyway, I installed that today. I just wanted to say it went really well. And basically, I got a couple different amplifiers. I got this from Parts Express. I'll leave a link in the description. And I got 4 exciters, and I already have a 2.1 Logitech, basically a Logitech setup here, whatever, for just regular speaker sound. Most guys use that 2.1 sound when they're first getting started. It's cheap and it sounds great. So we have the 2 speakers in here, and basically a subwoofer right there, all controlled. Your volume right there on your volume controller or whatever. So that's the way I set mine up. Anyway, just wanted to show, I put in 4 different little exciters here, and an exciter down here. That on these cabinets, the more toys you install, it gets a little bit crowded in here. Anyway, I want to leave a description to all the stuff that I use. Basically, parts used were these 2 little amplifiers that I got from Parts Express, and I also got a power supply from Amazon, which is that blue one right there. And then it uses this splitter, basically a splitter to split off into 2 different directions here for the amplifier, and then basically a couple cables for the 3.5mm jack that go plugs right into my motherboard of my computer here. So basically I'm just going to give you some links and stuff like that. It's pretty easy setup. If you just follow Major Frenchy's guide, I'll leave a link to his video there, and you could follow that along and get your own SSF running for yourself. So anyway, that's all I want to say in this video. Thanks.